Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing Zoho Expense, a feature-rich expense management app designed to help individuals and businesses streamline the way they track, report, and manage spending. This app is especially useful for finance teams, freelancers, and frequent travelers who want a more organized and automated approach to expense tracking. Zoho Expense allows users to scan receipts using their phone camera, automatically extracting relevant details like amount, vendor, and date through OCR technology. These receipts can then be categorized and attached to expense reports, making reimbursements and accounting faster and more accurate. Users can also track mileage using GPS or manual entry and set spending limits to stay within budget. One of the key features of Zoho Expense is its integration with other Zoho tools and third-party platforms such as QuickBooks, Xero, and G Suite, which makes syncing financial data effortless. The app also offers multi-level approval workflows, customizable policies, and real-time analytics for better control over company expenses. Security is well handled with data encryption and role-based access controls, ensuring that sensitive financial information stays protected. The app's interface is clean, intuitive, and suitable for both new users and experienced finance professionals. Additionally, offline mode ensures that users can capture expenses even without an internet connection, syncing data later when online. Pros of Zoho Expense include powerful automation, wide integration support, user-friendly design, robust policy enforcement tools, and excellent analytics. On the downside, some users might find the initial setup and customization process time-consuming, and certain advanced features are locked behind premium plans. Overall, Zoho Expense is a smart choice for those who want to take control of their spending, reduce manual errors, and improve financial visibility across personal or business accounts. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.